Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Welcome to another episode, another take of our reflections in the blessed month of Ramadan. So many reflections, subhanAllah. I would like to draw your attention to the importance of the suhoor and to mention something that many people don't know. This is something that we should be doing. The Prophet commanded us sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he said, "Tasahharu fa inna fi suhoor baraka." Take the suhoor because in the suhoor is blessings. So we should try to eat something, should try to drink something, even if it's only a glass of water. You should not fast without taking the suhoor. The difference between our fast and the fast of Ahlul Kitab is they didn't do the suhoor. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. Fast is prescribed on you as it was before on the communities before you, Ahlul Kitab. But when they fasted, they did different from us. They didn't have suhoor. So the suhoor is a rahmah from Allah Ta'ala. So sadaqah. So take the rahmah and take the sadaqah. But the thing that I wanted to bring to your attention that many people don't do, and I'm saying this especially to the mothers and the fathers, to be on top of this, the people of the sunnah, and also to remind your children, is the importance of making istighfar at the time of suhoor. As your wife prepares the meal or you're sitting there, to say astaghfirullah, 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 wa atubu ilayh. Astaghfirullah, 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 wa atubu ilayhi. Allahumma inni astaghfiruka. And we're going to give a reflection, inshallah, upon some of the most important du'as and adhkar of al-istighfar. But why do we say you should make istighfar at this time? Because of the ayat of the Quran that Allah Ta'ala praised the believers. And He said, وَالْمُسْتَغْفِرِينَ بِالْأَسْحَارِ. And those people who make istighfar at the time of as-sihr, sihri, as-suhoor. That's at night right before the day comes, at the time of suhoor. Those people, the mustaghfirin bil-ashar, they make istighfar. A similar ayat, Allah changed around the wording. He said, وَبِالْأَسْحَارِ هُمْ يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ. And at the time of a sihr, they make istighfar. And when it comes to the Quran, there is a science in the Quran, many sciences of the Quran. Asbab al-nuzul, why the ayat was revealed. And nasikh wal mansukh, what ayat abrogated the other ayat. The i'rab of the Quran, those ayats and where the verb is and the prepositional phrase and all that. So many sciences of the Quran. The qira'at, the recitations of the Quran. One of the sciences of the Quran is at-ta'khir wa-taqdeem. How certain ayats will say the same thing, but some things will be put in different positions, like in this issue. وَالْمُسْتَغْفِرِينَ بِالْأَسْحَارِ. Those people who make istighfar and they do it at that time. And then the other ayah said, وَبِالْأَسْحَارِ هُمْ يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ. And at the time of as-suhoor and sihr, they make istighfar. Now is not the time to get into those not so subtle, important differences between the two. I just want to remind you that as-sihr, this time is when you're coming from the nighttime. So Abdullah bin Mas'ud, if he was praying Qiyam al-Layl, he would stop before Fajr. He would stop. And then he would start saying, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. It is the best thing that you can do at this time. It's better than reading the Quran. It's better than making the salat. It's better than just making general dhikr. This is the time and the best time, al-itlaq, for the Muslim to say, Allahumma inni astaghfiruka, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. Not just kalam on your tongue, but with sincerity. So, as-sihr, al-ashar, why is it called sihr? Sihr is magic. And magic is called magic because is it real or is it not real? It looks to be real, but it's not really real. So it took that name the Arabs gave that because he's not sure. Is it still the nighttime or is it the daytime? So before the Fajr comes in and you're doing your Suhoor, don't just sit there talking kalam farik, talking about the football game, the soccer game, talking about basketball and how good the Dallas Mavericks are and that they're going to win the NBA. That's not the point. The point right now is Al-Istighfar, Al-Istighfar, Al-Istighfar. May Allah Ta'ala make us of those people who are the Mustaghfireen bil-Ashar. And may He Subhanahu wa Ta'ala make us of those people who bil-Ashar hum yastaghfirun. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.